In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the pip is not recognized as a PowerShell command error. First, we need to open and run Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Next, let's attempt to install py-installer. However, you may encounter an error stating, pip is not recognized as a command. This indicates that pip is not added to your system's path environment variable. Let's resolve this by checking the installed Python version on your PC. Run Python version to see the current version. For example, we have version 3.11. Now, we need to locate the Python installation folder. This will provide the path to the Python executable. With the installation path identified, we will now modify the environment variables. Open the Start menu, search for Environment Variables, and select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Scroll down in the System Variables section, find the Path variable, and click Edit. Add the Python installation path to the path variable. Copy the path of your Python installation. Then click New in the path editor and paste the path. Use Ctrl+V for Windows or CMD+V for Mac. Next, add the Python scripts directory to the path. Go to the Python installation directory, locate the scripts folder, and copy its path. Again, paste this path into the path editor. Ensure there are no quotes around the paths. Quotes can cause issues, so remove any if present. Once everything is set, click OK to save the changes. Repeat this until you have closed all dialog boxes. Let's double-check by reopening PowerShell. Run it as an administrator again. Now, attempt to install py-installer once more. This time, it should work without any issues. And that's it. The installation should be successful now. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more IT tips and guides.